Brad Williams, XL Prime. Here are some hints. Go to chart design, type, change chart type. So we'll click here. We go to chart design, type, change chart type. We have a series of options to choose from. All charts. We're in all charts. Go down to combo. It says total revenue. Specify clustered columns as a chart type. Well, let's say it wasn't clustered columns, it was stacked columns. And on the right, you say 100% stacked. We want clustered columns. Click. And let's just say this other operating income was a bar. And it's a stacked bar. We need a cluster. As it says here, operating income, clustered column. We have column. We know where clustered is. Just click clustered. And then let's say the net income was 100% stacked column. What did the instructions say? Net income, specify line as the chart. We need to go here. We need to find line. It says line. Go to line. Go to line, if that's what it says. Stacked line, line. 100% stacked. Line with markers. Stacked line with markers. 100% stacked, and 3D line. We need hit line, hit OK. We have this layout, but it's not the same as this layout. What happened? Go back to change type, go to combo, and we have clustered column, line. Let's go back in. Since this is showing lines, and we had a bar chart, I would suspect there's something wrong. I clicked something incorrectly. We'll go back in here. We'll go back to combo. We'll go to line. We'll make sure we have a line checked and we hit OK. The line was not clicked OK. We have the same information here as we have over here, just different colors. That's a combo chart. Very nice. You can change this any way you want. You can see the different configurations. Experiment. Dig a little deeper in here, you can see the endless combinations, but this combo chart, just a great storyteller. Maybe if you throw in an area chart along with maybe a bar chart, play around with it, have some fun, create something awesome. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for your time.